Hey guys, this is Kristen, spokesmodel for WXM Motorsports. I hope everyone had an awesome Thanksgiving, but I'm just here to let you guys know about our huge Black Friday sale we have going on this weekend, where you're going to find some of the best deals out there, but we're also giving away over $16,000 in performance parts. We're going to be giving away Forge Line wheels, carbon fiber aero kit, Weapon X chiller, a Whipple supercharger, a DI fuel kit, a heat exchanger, and more. For all the details, just visit our website at www.weaponxmotorsports.com and just click on the sale tab where you'll find all the details and also all of our items on sale. Also, be sure to join our mailing list. You can find that at the bottom right-hand corner of any page. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway for our IG fans. All you have to do is tag 3 friends and follow our page. And that enters you in a chance to win a $100 gift card for Weapon X. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube channel where you can find all of our latest videos in the shop and on the dyno. Everybody have a great day, and I hope to see you guys soon.